good, everybody? It's your girl Rishay here, back again with another video. And this right here is Smokey. Hi, Smokey. She said no. She likes resting on my shoulder. Anyways, go on, we'll play. Oh, she's not happy. She wants to get back up. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. I know it's hard. I have footage filmed. Oh, here we go again. Okay, come on. I have the footage filmed. I haven't edited. I have so many videos I haven't edited, but I have the footage. I just gotta transfer it to my laptop and edit. But I'm gonna do it. The goal is to do it, and I'm so sorry that I keep messing up. Ugh. But the important thing is that I'm still gonna post them. I know January's ending soon, but I'm still gonna post them. And I have tons of beautiful Valentine's Day DIYs for you guys. So stay tuned and on to the video.
Alright, so these are the pants that I have, guys. I really love them because they're super stretchy and form-fitting. However, they are too short on me. As you can see, they do show like a good portion of my ankle, and I'm not with those high water fashions, so we're gonna see if we can extend them.
So first thing I'm gonna do is seam rip the bottom of the pants on both pant legs. It's gonna take a little while, so get comfy, guys.
Alright, so I finished seam ripping the bottom hem, and I just pinned it down to keep it straight. It will fray, so be careful with that. I did choose these leggings that I had left over because that's the closest I'm going to get to this fabric. I'm basically going to cut about 4 inches up, so that way when I fold it, it's 2 inches added to the bottom, and I'm only going to cut it as wide as the pant leg itself. So now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and fold it over. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both of the raw sides. You see? Oh, gotta focus. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm going to take both of the raw sides and I'm going to face them up. And by now you should have about 3 layers worth of fabric. I'm going to take the side seams and match them up together and just pin them in place right there. So that's the inside seam right there. Make sure all of your layers are even, so that way you're sewing through all 3 layers. And then we're going to match up the other side seam as well. Don't forget to match up the rest of it and pin it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to my serger, but you can use a zigzag stitch. It works just as well. And then don't forget to iron. That's basically it.
I might have did y'all wrong last time and I forgot to iron, but we're not going to do that this time. We're going to remember to iron.
So here's the final look, guys. I love them now. They fit perfectly. They're the perfect length. I'm going to wear them everywhere now.
Alright guys, that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow my socials. All of them are at Okayrichay, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And, see you next time. Say bye, Smokey.